Bitcoin all-time high. It finally happened. We are back. We are back in an all-time high. So congratulations, everybody. You want to know the last information about the crypto world? Then smash the like button. It's time for Crypto News, Crypto to the Max with Rodrigo Arnedo. And today is a very happy day for me and for everybody out there. Bitcoin hit an all-time high. And now what? Well, that's what we are going to talk about today. We have our all-time high on dollars, and that's a happy thing. But I had to zoom in a lot because it's just a little bit beyond the line. It's okay. Well, this is the exchange I usually use for my charts because it has data from 2012, 2013, etc. And you can see that in different exchanges, it's going to have different prices for that top. But mostly it's a reality, it's official, and we are beyond the line. In this case, 69,210, which is awesome. But if you go to things like CoinMarketCap, for example, well, you can see that we have a new all-time high for March the 5th, 2024, 18 hours ago. In this case, 69,170. So that's the only all-time high we were waiting for after euro, after the pound, UK pound, and after its own market cap for Bitcoin. We told you everything about this in previous video. Watch them all. A lot of good information out there. So finally, we are at level 3 of FOMO according to Ottaviani, the all-time high. After 60K, we broke 69K. That's level 3 for that fear of missing out. But why you have this bad feeling if you are following crypto every day? Because it was a very crazy day for Bitcoin. We went down like 14%. And yeah, it's so happy we broke it, but then we went all the way down to 59,346. But any case, today we are back in business, so volatility time. We are right now, as we record, beyond 67,000, close to 68,000, and we'll see it today. We want the break of this all-time high, but a very good break, like crazy. We'll see tomorrow. You can see here how this volatility affected some people. These traders here broken everything, and some riders feeling that they are going into this rabbit hole, which is Bitcoin, but in a very bad way because we are like thrown there with this red candle. Remember, this is a very leveraged market. There's a lot of manipulators out there, speculators, and they will cut your head when you bet Bitcoin is going to go up, when you bet Bitcoin is going to go down. So again, we are just expecting the same once and again and again and again. Be careful out there. Any case, consider that liquidation was the biggest crypto liquidation event in over 6 months, wiping out over 1 billion. A much needed leverage reset. We need that. Also, some people in the optimism, believing that market gave you the opportunity to buy Bitcoin at $8,000 discount on the same day we had the all-time high. So how can this be a better deal? It can't. And why did Bitcoin went down? Well, maybe people like BlackRock, Fidelity, they want you to believe we are in a double top. So you start selling because they need to buy. But also we had this piece of information, not very good one. It appears that the large amount of Bitcoin mined in 2010 was dumped following the all-time high, partially contributing to today's price correction. So this guy sold 1,000 Bitcoin, $68 million in 1 hour. So that probably triggered those sales. And well, I want to congratulate this guy if he's a regular guy, because probably he said, once we have the previous all-time high, I'm going to sell this 1,000 Bitcoin. And he did, and I didn't. So this guy is doing what he says, and I'm still waiting. Why? Because Bitcoin put a new high before its halving. It's the first time ever. We're making history And I believe we're going higher. So we'll see about that. I want to take some profits this time, as I told you, but I'm going to wait a little bit. Even though I have to wait for some months, it's okay for me. But this is not financial advice. I'm not expert, so do what you believe it's okay for you. We have this all-time high miles telling us here we are maybe close to the end of this bull move. Once past all-time high proper, everything gets faster and faster until the top. Don't listen to the narratives. We'll see if this is the end right now, a partial end or not. Michael van de Poppe believed that maybe the pre-halving high for Bitcoin is in. I don't think so, but who knows? But maybe we have to wait a little bit. Also consider this chart from Matthew Hyland. He's telling us that once we have these spikes in volume, this 3-day spike in volume, we go down, as it happened here, and it happened here, and here, and here, and here, and here, and also here. But we'll see this time, maybe it's different. And I want you to think about this chart. Remember to smash the like button. If you love this information, always for free for you, use the link in the description below if you want to help us. But we have here two very interesting things, in my opinion. You can see, first things first, that we broke all-time high. So what happened the last time we did? And it was after the halving, when 1, 2, 3, 4 crazy months going up till December, till March in this case. We can go crazy to the end of this year. And what happened the previous time here? Well, we have to wait a little bit, and eventually we started to go up till December, as I was saying. What about here? We broke the line and we have 4 crazy months. So you need to consider, if you believe we are in one of these 2 green arrows, and we are going to go 4 months crazy in the green, crazy up till the next stop, or maybe we are following, as I believe, the path of 2017. If that's the case, once we get to the top, just you can see that we touched it and went down, and we were around the all-time high for several months. So I believe this might happen. We'll see in the future, of course. And also, I want to tell you about RSI. I adjusted it here, so you can see previous times we were in this point here. Again, in this point we went 4 months to the top. What happened here? Well, we went down. This was a resistance for RSI, and we had to wait till new highs and lows in this RSI, and then up again. What happened here? We went crazy up. What about here? We went crazy up. So again, you have to decide. Are we in this 1, 2, 3 occasions in the green this time? Or maybe we are going to draw it in the red like we did here. Well, we'll see in the future here in Crypto News with Rodrigo Arnedo, your host for the most. All-time high for Bitcoin, 69,000 and beyond. But experts believe this is just the beginning. 200K, maybe imminent, maybe in the cards. We'll still grid it today. We were in the extreme grid, but due to yesterday events, we are now in the 75. We'll see about that. And Jim Cramer is so mad because he didn't vote, and now he's calling Michael Saylor lucky guy. He's not lucky guy, Jim Cramer. Let's listen to him whining there.
It's getting convert to buy more.
Yeah, always good to tell ahead of time that you're buying the biggest order so you get a nice price.
Hey, guy's been right.
Yeah, it's better to be lucky than good, my friend. Mm-hmm.
It's better to be lucky than good. Well, you are a sore loser, of course. And also Peter Schiff, another sore loser. Let's listen this. It comes for Peter Schiff and also for Jim Cramer. This lovely sound I dedicated. Because now Peter Schiff is saying that Bitcoin is so volatile because of yesterday events, and gold is also in all-time high. So it's better gold than Bitcoin. But this is a nonsense, Peter Schiff. Because, well, Bitcoin is gold 2.0, and also you can't compare the percentage you'll make buying Bitcoin with the money you make buying gold. So, yeah, a lot of people saying that that ratio is minus 100%, like Benjamin Cohen. also saying it's false because he said that the ETFs were not buying yesterday, and this is not true. Actually, we have this piece of information saying that this was the best day in trading volume for those ETFs since inception. That's incredible. BlackRock investors taking advantage of the panic selling, purchasing record amount of Bitcoin at a nice price. And what about this idea? I'm loving it. The thing is that BlackRock is incorporating Bitcoin into the safe investment recommendations in the company. So Bitcoin is going to be with the most important companies if you want to buy there. But I want to be conservative. I want just to buy a little bit of the best things. They are going to put Bitcoin inside that box right now. And also Crypto Robert here with this thought. Bitcoin will pump to 100K within weeks. Within weeks? Yes. And yet many still don't see why. And why is that? Well, BlackRock bought another this amount of money crazy of Bitcoin yesterday. There's no available Bitcoin on OTC desks. They are buying from the open market. So they are going to affect the market like it or not. And you can go to some exchanges out there. You want to have a loan of Bitcoin. There's no Bitcoin for you. This is new. This never happened before. So you can see there's very, very little Bitcoin there that you can buy. So less circulating supply, more demand, price should go up. As we are with this chart, Max, in the psychology of a market cycle, maybe going to optimism, this after that belief, then thrill, and then euphoria. And this guy, Nayib Bukele, is so happy, just waiting for media to say that he did okay. They are not saying anything like that. At the bottom of the bear market, El Salvador started buying 1 Bitcoin per day. That's dollar cost average in Bitcoin. Today, Bitcoin hit a new all-time high. Congratulations to El Salvador. Congratulations to Nayib Bukele. And what about you? Well, you can start maybe not buying 1 Bitcoin every day because it's so expensive for you, but maybe you can buy 10 euros or 15 euros or maybe 100 euros of Bitcoin every day or every week. And so you missed this opportunity from the bottom to the all-time high. But this is not going to be, in my opinion, no idea, but it's not going to be the final all-time high for Bitcoin. So you can start buying today little by little. You have some resources in the description below. And then you can still make some profit. Remember, we've been 1 year going down. We lost 77% in unrealized losses. And now we have unrealized profit a little bit because we are back at the same point we were like 3 years ago. It was November 2021. Awesome stuff. Maybe the best is yet to come. So again, if you keep on buying all the way up and you sell at 1 million, well, that sounds good deal for me. Ethereum, maybe it's your thing. Maybe you're not a Bitcoiner. Well, I think you are. But just consider that Ethereum is going higher and higher also. So strong. We are waiting for Bitcoin to be a little bit flat or even going down so that altcoins go up. Ethereum now in 3,874. And you can see that anytime I record, I have to take these lines and go higher. So we are now like 25% to the previous all-time high. Very little time we've been above this line. So Ethereum is set for a new all-time high. Congratulations also. And consider Vitalik Buterin, just like the other guy. Maybe it was Vitalik that mined Bitcoin in 2010 because he sold 100K worth of Ethereum because of the dip. I don't know. Maybe it started a little dip on Ethereum. And maybe Vitalik Buterin wants to buy a Lamborghini, something like that, and is having some profits. The market is in the green. The bubbles are crazy green. Flocky there. Luncy, which is crazy in my opinion. Uni, I prefer that one. And AI, things like FED, also AR, things like this are going up. And we'll see about those meme coins. Elon Musk now is going allegedly to meet Donald Trump. So maybe they will talk about cryptocurrencies. Maybe so. Elon Musk is trolling out there saying that X is better than all the rest, and also mocking that Grok AI is saying the price for Bitcoin correctly, and the other ones are not. But any case, Elon Musk, stop trolling out there and give us Grok in Spain that I'm paying for the subscription, and we still can't use it in Spain. So come on, man. Just do not forget people in other countries. We want also this Grok thing and this X application, the application for everything. Give it to me. The Spanish, I command you. And I command all of you to come to our official pool, Fan on the right, zero fees and only 270 fixed costs. This is something you're not going to find out there. And we validated 3 blocks. So if you have some ADIs out there, some Cardanos, come with us. 132 blocks validated already, and you will help in the channel indirectly. So it's a win-win. Thank you very much, and drink like this cat. That's a funny one for celebrating today, all time high. Okay, my friends. Anyways, let's keep on learning. You have AI new videos out there. And if you don't want to learn about artificial intelligence with my channel, maybe you want to keep on learning about crypto. In CryptoNews, Rodrigo Arnedo, Fan on the Right, health, money, love, party in peace, and the best is yet to come. To the moon!